I just want to tell you how proud I am of our co-principals, of our staff, of our board, and of our community for believing in what we're going to do here at North. North is an amazing school, and it's going to be even better. A full K-8 school with incredible resources, an incredible building. When you walk around, you're going to see how beautiful this place is, all of the investments that your tax dollars have brought. I want to say thank you to everybody for being here. It's because of you and your families and your belief in North that we're here.
We're a magnet school now, and if you know anything about magnet schools, you know that they bring a lot of great ideas to the district. North's focus is environmental studies. We're also bringing a leadership piece that we had in Kindon. So if you see on our shirts, it says North Environmental Leaders. Our goal is to help our children really develop the skills, the mindset, in order to become leaders that are going to help and prepare for the future. So as you look around today, you'll see pieces of that, but there's lots more to come. So instead of having a ribbon cutting to support our environmental theme, we're going to have a planting. And as you go around to your students' classroom, everyone will have the opportunity to begin our roots of success. And we are building a legacy that will be long-lasting and forever in the minds of our students and in the hearts of our students. North? North. We say North, you say? North.